All right, number 12. Where's my pencil? Okay. Farmer wishes to remove a stump. I'm not going to read to you. I'm assuming you've already read the problem. So we've got the stump. We've got one tractor pulling with a force of 7,000 pounds. We've got another one pulling in a force of 5,500 pounds. So if I'm trying to be true to vectors here, right, the 7,000 one, the magnitude is going to be a little longer than the 5,500. The angle between the tractors is 40 degrees, if I recall correctly. I do. Excuse me. So assuming the farmer's estimate is needs 6 ton force, so 6 ton, I think 6 tons they said was 12,000 pounds. So that's what we need. So I want the resultant vector basically of the sum of these forces. So to add them, oh, that's not cool, man. I want to translate this 5,500 vector here. So that means that these two sides are parallel, so that's important because then I know that that angle is 140. If I draw the resultant vector, the magnitude of this guy will be the force placed on the stump. That's kind of the combined of both of these. And it'll be pulled in that direction that we're seeing there. So the direction doesn't matter when we're trying to get the stump out of the ground. We just want to make sure we have enough force. So I need the magnitude of that resultant vector. So basically what I have here is a triangle where I know two sides. This one's 5,500, right? And the included angle, and I want to find this other side here. So we'll call that C. That is the law of cosines. 11,757.36 approximately. So that is not greater than the 12,000, so not enough force to get the stump out. So then he says, well, what if he changed the angles to 25 degrees? So now they're both pulling more in similar direction. So that resultant vector should be a little bit longer, because by bringing these angles together, up here instead of 40, if I make it 25, that's bringing those closer together. It's going to widen that so they're pulling even with a little more force. So if that's 25, that's going to be 180 minus 25, which is 155, I believe. So in the law of cosines, we just change that guy to 155. So let me do that on my calculator. Instead of 140, we're going 155. I'm assuming it's going to be enough force this time. Then I have to square root that answer. So it comes out, when you do it with the smaller angle, is 12,208 and change. So yes, the stump will come out. The stump is removed. If you haven't done this before, I suggest you try it. Stump removal is a lot of fun.